QR factorization. Any matrix A is m by n matrix with linearly independent columns. Then A can be factorized as A equal to QR. Here Q is a m by n matrix whose columns forms an orthonormal basis. We construct orthonormal basis from the orthogonal basis, and the orthogonal basis is constructed from Gram-Schmidt method. And another matrix R. R is n by n square matrix. N by n matrix, upper triangular invertible matrix with positive entries on its diagonal. For example, find Q and R, orthonormal basis matrix for column A, and R is the upper triangular invertible matrix. So let this matrix is A, because we have factorized this matrix. A equals to 2 or 3, 2, 3, 1 minus 1, and this can be factorized as Q and R, where Q is orthonormal basis for column A, and R is upper triangular matrix. So so here x1, this column is x1, 2, 3, x1, taking x1, 2, 3. This is column of A, one column. The another column is x2. X2 is 1 minus 1. From this column vectors, we construct the orthogonal basis. Setting u1. U1 equals to x1. U1 equals to x1, where x1 is 2, 3, 2, 3 in column, 2, 3. This is x1. But u2 is constructed by the method, Gram-Schmidt method, x2 minus x2 dot x1. X2 dot x1. X1 means u1, and u1 dot u1. U1 dot u1. U1. By this method, Gram-Schmidt method, u2 is constructed. And here u2, x2 is 1 minus 1. 1, 2, 1 minus 1. U1 is also x1. So dot product of these two vectors, 2 into 1, 2, and 3 into minus 1, minus 3. So 2 minus 3 divide by u1 dot u1. U1 is x1. X1 dot x1 is 2 to the 4 plus 3 to the 9. This is the dot product of u1 and u1. 4 plus 9. And u1. The u1 vector is x1, which is 2, 3. This is u2. So u2 is 1, 1, 1, 1 is here. Minus 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus 1 by 9 plus 4, 13. 1 by 13. 2, 3. This equals to 1 minus 1 is here. X2 is 1 minus 1. 1 by 13, 2 by 13 plus 1. 2 by 13 plus 1, 13 to 15. 15 by 13. 15 by 13. And 3 by 13 minus 1 by 13. Minus 10. 10 divided by 13. This is u2. This u1 and u2 are orthogonal basis for column A. Orthogonal. From this orthogonal basis, we construct orthonormal. We write V1 is orthonormal. V1 norm of u1. This is orthonormal. So u1 is 2, 3. And the norm of u1 is root over 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, this 2 to the 4, and 3, 9. 2 plus 9, 14. And u1 is 2, 3. This is V1, orthonormal V1. Ortho V2 equals to U2 divided by norm of U2. The orthonormal vectors is constructed from orthogonal vector. U1 and U2 are orthogonals. Here V2 and V1 are orthonormal. This equals to V2. V2 means 15 by 13 equals to 15 by 13. This U2 minus 10 by 13 minus 10 by 13. This is U2 and its norm is square root of 15 by 13 whole square plus minus 10 by 13 whole square, so that 1 by square root of 15 by 13 square plus minus 10 by 13 square equals to 5 root 13 by 13. This is the norm of U2. Norm of U2 means the square root of 15 by 13 whole square plus minus 10 by 13 whole square, which is equal to 13 by 5 root 32. And V1 is 2 by root 13, 2 by root 13, and 3 by root 13. 3 by root 13. In this way, we construct Q. The Q is orthonormal basis for column A. So this Q vector, the Q matrix is 2 by root 13, 2 by root 13, and 3 by root 13, 3 by root 13, 3 by root 13, and B2 3 by root 13, 3 by root 13, and minus 2 by root 13. This is Q. So A can be factorized as Q into R. The R vector is the upper triangular vectors, which is obtained by the formula the transpose of Q into A. So transpose of Q transpose means its transpose. Its transpose is 2 by transpose of Q. And A equals to given matrix. A is the given matrix is 2, 3, and 1 minus 1. So multiplying these two matrices, 6 minus 6 plus 6, 0. And the second column, these multiply in the first row of the first matrix and second row of the first matrix. So this second column, 1 minus 1. 1 is multiplied to 2 by root 13, 2 by root 13, and minus 1 is multiplied by 3 by root 13. 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 by root 13. Minus 1 by root 13 is this term. And if this multiply in the second row, 1 into 3, 3, and minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by root 13. 5 by root 13. This is the R matrix, which is upper triangular matrix. So A is 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, and 1, 1 minus 1, and this can be written as the factorize of two matrices. One is Q. Q is orthonormal basis matrix, which is equals to 2 by root 13, 2 by root 13, 2 by root 13, 3 by root 13, 3 by root 13, and 3 by root 13, 3 by root 13, minus 2 by root 13, minus 2 by root 13, and R. R is upper triangular matrix, which is 13 by root 13. 13 by root 13 is root 13, minus 1 by root 13, and 0, 5 by root 13. In this way, the given matrix can be factorized by QR method into two matrices. This one is first and this one is second.